Pool Payday, Pool Cash, Speed Pool, Pool Clash, and Billiards Cash are 5 newer or actively available pool games that connect gameplay with real money competitions through skills, while also offering free matches. By the end, you'll know which 5 games are worth checking, how their free and cash modes work, and what you need to verify before depositing money. Number 5 is Billiards Cash. The game offers free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes through skills. That gives new players a way to practice the game before entering cash competitions. Start with the free matches and learn the controls before paying an entry fee. Number 4 is Pool Clash. This 8-ball pool game also offers free matches and cash matches through skills.die. The format is straightforward, which makes it useful if you want competitive pool without learning a complicated game system first. Number 3 is Speed Pool. Known as a Speed Pool adds a faster format to standard pool and offers both free and cash matches. The faster gameplay means shot selection and timing matter, so use the free mode to see whether you can consistently finish matches under pressure. Number 2 is Pool Cash. Its skills listing includes free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes. You can start with free gameplay and move to cash competitions when they are available to your account. Number 1 is Pool Payday. Pool Payday combines traditional pool gameplay with skills' cash competition system. Its listing includes free matches, cash matches, and real-world prizes, making it the strongest option here if your main goal is specifically real money pool competition. One thing needs clarification about the word new. These aren't necessarily brand new games released in 2026. They are pool titles that are currently available through the skills ecosystem and offer cash competition features. Availability can change, so check the current app listing before downloading. You also need to confirm that cash play is available in your location. Skills restricts cash competitions based on eligibility, including age and location. Being able to download a game does not automatically mean you can enter cash tournaments. Before depositing, open the cash section and check the current entry fees, withdrawal options, and verification requirements. Skills' terms also state that withdrawals under $10 can be subject to a processing fee of up to $2. So the 5 games are Rag Billiards Cash, Pool Clash, Speed Pool, Pool Cash, and Pool Payday. Use the free matches first. Confirm that cash competition is enabled for your account, and only then decide whether a paid match makes sense. If you want more real money game rankings for 2026, like the video and subscribe.